Main types of residential units are heat pump, gas, and straight electric. A heat pump, we're going to check the amp draw on the electric heat to make sure that it is working and functioning properly, that all the safeties on the electric heat are working properly, and we're going to check the charge on the system to make sure that the refrigerant level is where it should be. Check the amp draws on the compressor, check the amp draws on the blower, the condenser fan motor, and we will wash the condenser coil if necessary. Well, technically it's not an emergency electric. Your electric is an auxiliary heat. When you turn it on to emergency heat, then that turns off the compressor outside and only runs on the electric heat. That is a big misconception that a lot of people have, that their emergency heat is their electric heat. Their electric heat does not come on until thermostat tells it to. On a gas unit, we check the inducer motor to make sure that it's drawing the proper amount of air through the heat exchanger so the gas will burn properly. We check the gas pressure coming out of the gas valve to make sure that the gas pressure is at the proper pressure. We check the heat exchanger to make sure that there are no holes or cracks in the heat exchanger so that we keep carbon monoxide out of the house. And we check all of the safeties so that if it doesn't light or if something goes wrong inside of the heating system, that it will shut the unit down or do what it's supposed to do, whatever the safety dictates. We check the filters. We make the recommendation that if you need to change the filter or if the filter's clean, if it's clean, of course, we'll just pat you on the back, tell you good job for changing your filter. If it's dirty, then of course we'll make the recommendation for you to replace it.